So now let's gurney the tire. So we need to get ready. Okay, let's gurney it. Tarat tarat taran. This is our gurney 101. To do the other side, and we're done. What's the deal of that one? This one.
What's wrong with it?
For what is that one?
Put on me.
Ah!
That's what we're doing.
It's alright. So we're just transfer this one into this frame. To this ring. So we're here, guys. We're going to change the tire into the hub. They got a machine there to do that. So I just don't know how much it costs, but we're gonna interview the bossing.
Right, just continuing on. Out of interest, these are the old tires we took off. They're still okay. They're just regular car type tires. As you can see, not a patch on the newbies, but anyway, them's the brakes. Progress report. Second side of wheel number 1. Well done. They go really fast now. I can see that. Yep, too easy. Look at that girl go. What a demon. Anything to say before we log off? What a joke.
A demon in disguise.
Nobody could disguise you, darling. Okay. Ding ding. Okay, ciao for now.